Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. We're quarantining. Hope everybody is doing well, feeling safe, and feeling healthy. Okay, so I'm playing around with some bundles that I had laying around, and I'm making a hat wig just to see how it comes out. I did one side already, so I figured I'll show you guys how I did what I did. So I'm gonna show you on this side. I did this one side already.
Nope. And I got this eyelashes.
Olivia playing in my makeup.
And I got some this one, this one I can. And I got my baby film, and then my baby Tourette.
Okay, so you're gonna take your track hair, you take your baseball cap, size it up to match the size of your head. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure a track from the beginning of the baseball cap all the way back to this piece. So from here to here.
Be quiet.
I'm gonna measure a piece of hair from here to here.
Got some
And then I'm gonna hot glue it with the hot glue gun. I got these glue sticks at Dollar Tree. I got the hat at Dollar Tree. The bundles are from Amazon. I'm gonna try to link below a hot glue gun if you don't already own one. I'm gonna find one on Amazon, an inexpensive one.
We got this baby on.
So I'm gonna angle the camera down so you can see
We can see that.
what all I'm doing.
And Mama said we can't do that.
Okay, so I did 4 tracks on each side. This is how it's looking. And now I'm gonna start back here on this loop.
Mommy.
You're 3.
No, I'm 3.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
Mommy, I'm 8. No, I'm
Set on
3.
your wig and your lashes. You nervous?
No, my I'm 3.
Yeah.
They already can see my wig.
I'll go see you guys. Look, I just go see. Not yet. There you go.
We have to take a break.
Yep.
So we'll be right back.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. So I'm finished finally. I did 4 tracks on each side, and then I did 2 tracks right on this band, and then 3 tracks right here. And I just brought those all the way up here to cover the hole. So this is how the inside is looking. Just like that. So yeah, this is just 8 inches, so it's not long, but this will look super cute with long hair too. So I'm gonna straighten it out, flat iron it, and probably trim the ends a little bit. My daughter took back home, but yeah. Okay, hey everybody, so this is the finished product here. This is how it looks when it's on. It's a couple days later, you know, have to tend to the kids and whatnot, the baby and whatnot. But this is how it's looking now. It's see-through, like the hair is see-through. So what I did was, when I laid my tracks, remember I told y'all I did 4 tracks on each side of the hat. What I did was I played it safe, and I just made it thin versus thick, because I can always add hair. So I only use one pack of not one pack, but 1 bundle of hair. So I do have hair left over, so I can go in and add maybe a track. I probably would maybe add 1 more track all the way around, just to make it just a tad bit more thicker. But I definitely feel like this does give off natural vibes, because it's see-through, and not everybody's natural hair is just thick like that, you know. So I definitely would recommend, if you try this out, to do less first and then see if you want to add, because I feel like if you do too much at first, it will be hard to remove it because it's hot glued in. Then you don't want to damage the hat and all that kind of stuff, and then you don't want to waste good hair, you know. Like, these are brand new bundles of hair, so I didn't want to go in too hard with it and make it too thick and then find out that it was too bulky and then have to cut just perfectly good hair. So I did kind of make it thin. I knew I was making it thin anyway. This is definitely thinner than my natural hair, but I feel like for the most part it would look natural for people, you know. It would definitely just come off natural. I like the option that I can add more hair if I need to. So this is the side. And this is 8 inches. This is the other side. And then this is the back.
This one on the back.
And yeah, this is my little hat wig. You know, quarantining and DIY projects are, you know, things that kind of take up time or free time if you have it. So yeah, try this out. Let me know if you like this, or if you tried this before, and yeah. So this is it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.